हेलो जी, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज है सैटरडे और मेरी आज छुट्टी थी, तो हमने सोचा कि इधर टाउन में जो है वो एक डायनासोर शो है, तो उसमें डायनासोर डिफरेंट डायनासोर है, पता नहीं क्या है। तो हमारे घर में एक बहुत बड़ा डायनासोर का फ़ैन है, तो जी उसकी फरमाइश पे हम लोग जा रहे हैं टाउन और वहाँ पे डायनासोर का शो देखेंगे, साथ साथ आपको भी दिखाएंगे, तो बने रहिएगा। तो निकलते हैं, फिर आपसे वहाँ पे मिलते हैं।
Only because we're going to listen to these dinosaur eggs. Now, we've got lots of dinosaur eggs in here. This is, that's a chicken egg. Okay, we've got a few of them in here actually. This one, the big one, has started hatching a few days ago. But this one was making lots and lots of noise. And that's why I need you to be quiet. So we're going to listen to the egg and hopefully we're going to hear what's inside. So here we go. Shh.
They don't hear anything?
Nothing.
Ah.
What a rubbish show, mate. I was hoping I was going to make a noise. Do you know, I think maybe it's just, I'm a little bit old now, my hearing's not what it used to be. Let me ask a kid, you there, right at the end, listen to the egg. If you hear anything, let me know. Shh. Did you hear it? See? Yeah? See? It's just me, getting a bit old, mate. Right then, that's right. Shh. What do you hear, mate? What do you hear? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Made a cracking noise, mate. I'm telling you, one more then for that. Just in case. Me. I like your glasses. It's okay. Did you hear it as well? Do you know what this is? This is excellent. Honestly, I'm going to crack on. There we go, hello. Did you hear it as well? Crazy. Okay, one more just to make sure. You over there. Where's this one? Nice glasses. Did you hear it? Oh yeah, so maybe it's actually, but the big egg in the middle.
You was just saying something over there.
What happened, mate? What was wobbling?
This one. Oh,
Nah,
I think you're imagining things.
no chance. If it was wobbling, then what?
I saw it wobbling.
You saw it wobbling?
Yeah.
Show me how. How?
I'm not even kidding.
Ah.
I saw it
If it
wobbling.
was wobbling, then obviously is it moving?
Yeah, why are they believing us?
What? You guys see it?
Yeah, she see it.
I seen it. I seen it as well.
It's moving. Oh! Do you know what? Should we see what's inside? Should we have a little look and see what's inside? Okay, right then, everyone, fingers crossed. Everyone, arms crossed,
I hear that.
legs crossed. Let's cross everything. Don't fall over on me. Let's cross everything and hopefully we're going to see a new dinosaur hatched right in front of your eyes. So everyone, here we go. Let's take a look.
Oh my gosh, did you see that? I saw it wobble.
It's definitely still moving. You can have a look.
Oh,
Have a look at that.
it's actually quite nerve-wracking, mate.
I don't know my own.
Right?
What big
I
giant?
see it wobbling. I see it wobbling too.
It is wobbling.
Now it is moving. Why we not? What's this?
Is that yours?
Right, do you know what? Keep an eye on the dinosaur egg. Hopefully it's going to hatch. Do you know? We're going to take a little look. Now, what dinosaur could it be? Hopefully it's going to be, I don't know, a raptor or a triceratops or a stegosaurus. What do you reckon? Imagine that one chicken. A spino. Spino's a good move. So guys, here we go. Fingers crossed. Hope it's you enjoying.
Oh, wait. It does look. Oh. Is it moving?
Open it.
Oh, look at it. It's really cute.
Show it.
Oh, it's
Just
tiny.
show it already.
Oh, look at
Show
that.
it.
Look at it. Oh, looks like a baby T-Rex.
It's so cute.
Oh, I like it. Do you guys want to see another dinosaur? Let's bring another Ranger and we're going to bring out another little one now, known as a Stegosaurus. This little one's going to come around and we're going to come around to see what.
Oh, touch it. I want to touch it.
It's coming. चलो ये कौन सा है डायनासोर? वो जो उसने पकड़ा है।
वो बोला
हाँ।
उसका नाम है स्टेगोसॉरस।
She's alright. She won't hurt.
Oh, it's a T-Rex coming.
Yeah, you pet the dinosaur. Pet the dinosaurs. It's not scary. It's a baby, just like you.
So guys, we're going to keep going around with these two little hatchlings and we've got many more dinosaurs.
I'm here.
Very cute, isn't it? I agree. Beautiful. Whoa! Nah, not everyone's scared. It attacked you. Don't put it.
Right then, so these are some of our hatchlings. Are you guys ready to meet another dinosaur now? Right, the next dinosaur that's coming out is a little bit, let's just say, naughty. It's a naughty dinosaur.
It's probably like me.
Now, it's got big claws, it's very tall, and it likes to eat plants, okay? This dinosaur is known as Freddy. A what?
I think it's fine.
Not a brachio. It's an unusual one, this. You'll see it now. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. So guys, here comes the next dinosaur. It's a beautiful dinosaur indeed. And his name is Freddy. Come on in, Fred. Everyone say hello to Freddy. Wow. Everyone say hey. Boys and girls, this is the amazing Freddy. And Freddy's known as a Therizinosaurus, a beautiful dinosaur indeed. Now, Freddy is a little bit of a naughty one. He likes to steal things. So if he gets close to you, just obviously try to make sure you keep your hats and things to yourself, because he does like to. Whoa! Why didn't you tell me? You have to tell me. Now, if Freddy does come close to you, luckily it's not too sunny today, which means you're not wearing a hat. But, whoa! Don't want me to get unsure now. Well, I'm sure. Oh, he's got a hat over there. That's lucky. I'm sure Freddy won't take any of your hats, any of your things. He's got my hat. Give it back. Give it back. This is your hat, Fred. Drop. Drop. No! Fred, behave. Freddy's going to come around to see you, okay, guys? Thank you very much. Fred, head around to see everybody. He's been very naughty today. He's going to continue coming around to make sure everyone gets a cheeky high five. We call him high five.
Did he?
Yeah, he pet me.
Petted you?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it on your head. Okay. Boys and girls, we're gonna say goodbye to Freddy now. He needs to go in for a little break. But we got some more dinosaurs still to come. So everyone, say goodbye.
Goodbye, Freddy.
Good job. We got 3. Oh, Trixie's back. Yeah, Trixie had 4 days off. Now we got 3 beautiful little babies. And when I'm holding, this is Howard, known as a Dinosaur. Ranger Andy's holding the famous Trixie, and Ranger Tom. Ranger Tom's got his favourite as well, Polly, and this Attachosaurus. We're going to come around. You start in the middle, Ranger T, and me and Ranger Andy will split up. The music's going to go down, and we're going to come around and get you all, okay?
Oh, he's so cute.
Ooh, very cute.
You can touch them, they won't hurt, I promise. Now, they're quite cute.
Yeah.
And the one I'm holding, that's the one with teeth, okay, so please be careful.
Hello, are you having fun?
We're going to come all the way around to make that. It won't hurt. Just be careful, don't put your fingers in the mouth, whatever you do. Just in case, okay, because sometimes they like to sort of nibble. I'm going to stand back so we don't put it over the camera. Want to touch it now? So these little babies, what else they hold? If you don't want to touch it, you don't have to. Boys and girls, here comes Sharon.
And now it's time to meet our final dinosaur. An unusual species with a top of its nose. Everyone say hello to Sharon the Ceratosaurus.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, she's grabbing onto my leg. She's a real dinosaur.
Do you guys want to see her anyway? Do you guys want to see her anyway? Fantastic, here she comes. Give her a tickle under that chin. Have you worn them? Right, not yet. You haven't worn them? No.
Well, actually, that's not a Mojogosaurus. Mojogosaurus doesn't have any
should.
So I think that's a animal.
So, I should say Sharon does love the dads. We don't know why, but she's taking a leg into the dads.
Yeah.
Told not cleaning the mums. Sharon's making her way around your head, taking that chair, big way.
Oh, it's coming.
I think she heard that.
Whoa, my lovely tail!
Oh my god.
Good girl, Sharon. Good
Don't be scared, madam. Don't be scared.
Are you going to do it? Are you doing it now? Okay. Boys and girls, we're going to take Sharon in before she causes any more carnage and tries to knock over any more speakers. So boys and girls, say goodbye to Sharon, the Dinosaurs! Fantastic, in you go. You're going to win now. Sharon? Come on, you got... Oh my goodness. That was close, do you see that? Oh my goodness, right, go on, get in. You don't be in, you're not getting the Greg's later on. Bye, Sharon!
Bye.
Boys and girls, that brings us to the end of our show here at the moment. We're going to be doing it again at 1:15, but between now and then, there's going to be some beatboxers on at the stage. Go and have a listen, they've been practicing for a long time, it's going to be wicked. We'll see you very, very soon with some more dinosaurs.
What you doing? Come up, Bayela. It's gonna be
Dinosaur,
cool. In a minute. If I
Dino.
for you. The technique.
Okay. Dance, Dinosaur, rap, dance करो.
Beat the technique. Don't sweat the shoe. You know.
Are you ready?
Turn them off, bro. Turn the beat up, bro.
You're sure a hot ticket.
It's Minnie Mouse. Okay. My life be like, my life be like, my life be like, my life be like, yo, yeah, got my money, don't you worry. I said, hey, yeah, baby, I got your money, let's get it going. I got your money, don't you worry. I said, hey, baby, I got your money. Baby, I got your money, don't you worry. I said, hey, baby,
ओके
आइसक्रीम लेने आइसक्रीम ट्रक है वहाँ पे लेने हम चाचू पे कर लेंगे
Wow. Come on, Genevieve, you can do this.
That wasn't really good, but
Yeah.
मम्मा आइसक्रीम ला दो प्लीज ट्राई तो करती हूँ ना सिखा रहे हो मम्मा प्लीज आइसक्रीम
You too. Say your name. It's not bad, is it? Again, we are the holder. This is our third one. We've got Edinburgh tomorrow and Geneva on the 20th of September if you're around.
जनों की ऐसी हंसी है बड़ी डेवलिश होती है
One more. Single, yeah, the single one.
What do you say, Eleanor?
ये डायनासोर शो तो एंजॉय किया है, बच्चों ने राइड्स भी ले ली हैं और ज़बरदस्ती की आइसक्रीम भी ले ली है। अब मैं सोच रही हूँ कि घर चलते हैं क्योंकि घर में काफ़ी काम है पड़ा करने वाला, तो वो करते हैं। डायनासोर शो भी देख लिया, म्यूज़िक भी इंजॉय कर लिया। ये सारी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो हैं वो गवर्नमेंट करती है, कौंसल जो है वो ऑर्गेनाइज़ करती है फ्री में बच्चों के लिए। अभी 2 दिनों में थे बच्चों का स्कूल लगे, लेकिन ये सारा कुछ उन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज़ कर दिया ताकि बच्चे जो हैं वो इंजॉय कर सकें। तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पर इस तरह के छोटे छोटे इवेंट्स जो हैं वो होते रहते हैं ऑर्गेनाइज, और बच्चे इंजॉय करते हैं, पेरेंट्स को भी ब्रेक मिल जाती है थोड़ी। तो अब ये सारा दिन चलता रहेगा, सारा दिन। तो हमने अपना एक फर्स्ट पार्ट जो है वो हमने देख लिया है, इंजॉय कर लिया है। अब हम घर की तरफ चलते हैं। तो अच्छा जी, हम प्रोग्राम से हुए हैं, वापस आ गए हैं, घर को जा रहे हैं। तो ब्लॉग को करती हूँ यहीं पे एंड। बहुत सारे प्यार और दुआओं के साथ आप लोगों से लूँगी इजाज़त, और अपना ख्याल रखें और सबका ध्यान रखें, सबका ख्याल रखें, सबको दुआओं में याद रखें। मिलते हैं एक अगले नए ब्लॉग में।